up, guys? Sup, assassins? We back at it, baby. And of course, we're on the California Delta. Like you've seen, we just launched at Holland Riverside Marina. Cute little ramp and everything. Sorry I've been away for so long, you know, like I have to upgrade my truck. There's a few things I was dying to do on that truck and I needed a couple weeks on it, but here we are. We are on the water again, my friends. Assassins, how you been doing? Are you been slaying it? What have you guys been up to lately? Drop, you know what to do. Drop some comment down there. Let me know how you guys have been doing. What you guys have been catching, you know. I would love to build a little community out of this, you know, create the Assassin Nation and everything, you know. So guys, let's do this. Let's get up on them. Hey guys, it's a little windy today, a little choppy, but it ain't gonna stop the Assassin Nation, dude. Absolutely not. Yeah, so I bought a mic. I don't know if it's working right now. We'll see on this video. If I get any audio at all. No more Mumbly Joe. A lot of stuff is happening in America right now. I don't know if you guys caught the Freedom Fight 250. That was legendary. Shout out Justin Gaethje. Man, what a performance. And right now the World Cup's happening right now, so everyone's coming to America and partying, man. Everyone's loving it right now. They love being part of America. They're having a blast right now. And today, US versus Australia, baby. Let's go, USA, USA. It's gonna be a good game. I'm gonna probably, you know, stream it, listen to it, you know, while I do some fishing, you know. What's more American than that, guys, you know? Watch your team play, fish for some bass, and have a good time, you know. It's gonna be good. Yeah, it's very choppy out here today. So it might be a short one, or I might risk it for the biscuit. So my plan is to kind of make it up a little bit towards Frank Track, and fish along, of course, the banks and see if these guys are in shallow, and see what happens. And of course, really got to change this knot, guys. This FG knot's killing me. So she wrote, man, I can't use this. Yeah, this might be a couple hours on the water, guys. It's windy. Oh, this sucker. I did get out on the water pretty late. It's like 11:30 right now. Might head back close to the dock because it's choppy, brothers. I'm doing a jig right now, football jig. See where we're at. Never been lucky on jigs. Well, I'll take that back. Caught a 15-pound catfish in Clear Lake with on a jig. It's crazy. I just caught one off camera. I couldn't resist. This little dock area right here. This little dinker. But hey, skunk off the boat. Made it worth it. I'm a Cinco Assassin, man. I can't put this thing down. I love it. Ooh. Cause I ain't gonna make that run, boys. I'll tell you what. Look at that. It's all white capped right now. Gotta know your limitations. For sure. I'm on a plastic boat, so. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Too much tech for fishing. If you guys can't hear me, you can't hear me. Test 1, 2. I don't know. Anyways, too much tech. Too much tech. Oh, guys, this might not be the move. This is windy again. Might not be the move. Oh shit. That was a close one. I got pretty shallow up there, boys. Holy shiza. I got pretty close. Woo-hoo-hoo. Windy, B. Yeah, sorry about the wind, you know, like, I ain't God. He wants the wind, we're gonna get it. Woo-wee, boys. Holy shiza. Hey, at least we caught one fish though, you know. Off camera. Yeah. Do you really want to take it for what it's worth? Ooh, boys, it's fucking windy. I need some shelter. Yeah, this is not going to be a fun and exciting one. But if I wake up super early tomorrow, then we might be going to a different spot. Somewhere I've been dying to go. Ooh. All right. We should try here, I think. I'm gonna be blown away. I can't even feel it. Got one, boys? It's hard. I don't know how to get that fucking thing off. Get going. Can you guys believe that? I just caught a gosh darn tarp. A tarp. Holy smokes. All right, Fish God, you owe me. You owe me. Horrible cast. Yay. Got one, boys. Got one. Ooh. Got one, boys. I knew something was right over there. I knew it. Yeah. Ain't a biggie. Ain't a biggie, but hey, getting the job done. All right. You've been assassinated. Yeah. Hell yeah, guys. Hell yeah. I knew there's had to have been a bass stacked right there. Had to have been. Cinco Assassin. Had to have been. See if I can get his brother, sister, auntie, uncle, brother-in-law no one likes. Good. Hold on to your britches. All right, let the wind take us. Yeah, I gotta get good at these windy conditions. So if I ever join a tournament, I gotta adapt. I'm gonna fish my way back to the launch. It's been fun, short day. Had a little mishaps, you know, that goes along with fishing, but oh yeah, the wind is killer. Saw a dust storm. Can you believe that? It's been a windy day, short day. At least I got on the water. That's all that really matters, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, right on the side of me, it's a killer dust storm. So that's a telltale sign that you got a boogie. You gotta get out of here. So that's what I'm doing. But gonna fish a little bit more while I can. We ain't done yet, boys. We ain't done yet. Ooh, scary. We ain't done yet, boys. Fish on, boys. It's a little guy. It's a little guy. What I'm talking about. Little going away present, huh? Little going away present. Yeah, buddy. All right, guy. See you later. Woo-hoo. Oh, this is a good size one. Oh, it's a feisty bugger. It's a feisty bugger. Oh, there goes my bait. Ooh, it's a good size one. Get that out of your buddy. There we go. Wow. What do you think? 12 incher? 14 incher? All about it, buddy. Rawr. All right, guy. Thanks for playing. Little fatty guy, too. See you. Y'all see that flag? You see that flag? That's funny. I want to spend money on that though. Okay, this might be last cast.
because I'm very close.
So let's see what's going on in here. Oh, no way. No way. And easy release. All right. That was good. That was good, guys. Time to go back. All right, guys, that's it. Another one in the books. Thank you again for stopping by and watching your boy Kenji out here on the Delta. It's been a blast, been slow, been really windy, but at least we got a couple good sized ones, a couple dinkers. But again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Peace.